Good morning children. How are you all? Today we are going to see LCM of given numbers. What is LCM? Lowest common multiple. What is LCM? Lowest common multiple. Last year also we studied this, right? Okay. We will find LCM of the given numbers. From the exercise 3.4, I took two sums A and E. Okay. First we will find the factors of 72. So 72 we are going to do with prime factorization method. Okay, we know that, right? How to do 72 divided by 2. How will you do? 3 2s are 6, 1 is remaining. It is 12. 12 6 12 6 2s are 12. Then 2. If you cannot do it directly, means you in the right hand side you can do separately. 72 divided by 2 and all. But you came to 5th standard, right? You can do by directly, you can do. Okay. Here see 36, I will tell you here how to do. 36 divided by 2. Take the first number. 1 2s are 2. 1 is remaining, no? Take it here 16. 8 2s are 16. Okay. From this you know 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now we will find the factors of 96. 2. How will you do? 4 2s are 8. 1 is remaining. Keep it here. It will be 16, no? 16 divided by 2 is 8. Am I correct? Okay. Then do with 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Again do with 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6. Got it? You have to find the factors first. Okay, what are the factors? We will write it here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You have to write everything, right? Next one, 96. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into... How many 2s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into 3. Okay. Now we are going to do what we did in the HCF. The same thing. Common factors of both the numbers. 2, 2, 2. Here, that's it. Here we don't have any number. 3 is common. Here 2 2s are extra. Here 3. Now what we have to do? Take 1 2 here. 1 2. This 2. This 2. And 3. For HCF we did like this. Do you remember? Which one is common? We take one from the factors. For LCM we will do like this. Then we are going to take these 3 left out numbers also. Okay, that is the difference between HCF and LCM. Okay, the same till here the method is same. For LCM, for HCF, we will multiply and give the answer. But for LCM, we have to take these 3 numbers, left out number also. So I will write 3 into 2 into 2. Got it? So now LCM, how will you find? You have to multiply and write the answer. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 2s are 48. 288. Okay, 288. See, first you do all the 2's, multiply all the 2's. It will be easy for you to do. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Then do with 3 and 3. Okay, it will be easy to do. Otherwise, you can do in the side. Multiply in the side. Okay? Okay, the answer is 288. Do you understand? It's easy, right? Okay. Here we will do the other sum also. First find the factors of 10. 2 5s are 10, right? We have to do only with the prime numbers. We cannot divide more than this, right? 2 5s are 10. I think it is easy sum. 25, how will you do? 5 5s are 25. We cannot further divide. I should have taken big number. 30, how will you do? 15 2s are 30. Here 3 5s are 15. Whenever you are dividing, no, with you have to do only with the prime numbers. Okay, you don't do with 4. No, only do with prime numbers, not composite numbers. Okay, so we will write the factors. 10, 2 into 5, 25, 5 into 5, 33 into 2 into 5. So we will find the common factors between these three numbers. We are going to take the common factors between three numbers. Okay. What are the common factors? Here all the numbers we have 5. Okay. Then what is the next one? Here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. We can take this number. It is common to two numbers, right? So we can take two numbers. Okay. Now we will write the factors. LCM, how will you find? 5 into 2. It is common to the numbers. Then what is left out? 5 3 into 5 into 3. Okay. So multiply this. 5 2s are 10. 10 5s are 50. 53s are 150. If you cannot tell like this, you can multiply in right hand side and do it. Okay. Okay. What is the LCM? LCM is 150. So what is the difference between finding this one LCM and HCF? HCF, we will take only the common factors. We will not take the left out numbers. But in LCM it is lowest common multiple, right? Multiple. So we will take the left out numbers also for taking the answer. You got it? Okay children. Thank you.